What's up, you good looking folks out there? Billy Teagarden, and I'm back. What is one candy that you think of for the holidays? Has peanut butter in it. Yeah, peanut butter fudge. Yeah, I'll go with that. How about a peanut butter roll? We're switching gears and we're going to go into some candies now. So this is one of the simplest and one of the tastiest and one of the best selling candies that I make. Easily. I'm not going to make a humongous one right now. I'm going to make about a half size. But this is so simple. So before we get started, if y'all don't mind, I'm going to ask you again. Every video I'm going to ask you, go down there and please subscribe. Helps me more than you know, and it's the only thing you'll do today, this year, probably maybe a lifetime, that's free. And it helps me more than you know. And don't forget to like, turn on notifications so you'll know when my next one comes out. And please share. I'd sure appreciate it to get my videos around. So, as you know, this is Billy Teagarden, and we are no longer Teagardens Today. That's another channel. We are now just in the kitchen. And I want to show you folks how to make a peanut butter roll. And like I said, takes a little handwork, but it's so simple. Okay, now, before we get started, let me show you what we got going into this. Okay, I'm going to make about a half one. This is about 2 cups of powdered sugar. A whole one uses about 4 cups or 2 pounds. 1 pound is approximately 2.5 cups, something like that. That's approximately 2 cups, 2.5, something like that. And then we have, it'd be a quarter of a stick. You use a half a stick for a whole, quarter of a stick, which is a quarter cup of butter, and 1 tablespoon of milk. And we're going to use about half a teaspoon of our vanilla and our peanut butter. Now, of course, you can make the kind that you bake, the original kind. You can make that you cook on the stove and stuff. Of course, this is originally made with potatoes. Back in the day, this was made with potatoes. So, what I want to do, I'm going to dump my milk and stuff in here, or my butter and my milk. You want to do this pretty much just like you're making biscuits. That's pretty much what we're doing, except we're using powdered sugar here. So I ain't gonna measure this. About half a teaspoon, it really don't matter, about like that, be fine. And that's all we're going to put into this. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to mix this up, and it's going to make, we want, like I said, like a biscuit consistency. If it's too light, we'll add some more powdered sugar. If it's too heavy, we'll add a little bit of milk to it. That's going to be light. So let me get this here made up, and I'll show you what we got as soon as I come back. Okay, folks, we got that put together. I think I got my liquid a little off, but I had to add quite a bit more, powdered sugar. No big deal. I'll put the actual recipe at the end of this so that you got the right ingredients. You'll probably still have to add powdered sugar because you don't want this wet. You want this to come out just like a biscuit dough, something like that. So right there is it. It's yellow right now, but after it dries and we get the powdered sugar on it, it will turn white. Because it's nothing but powdered sugar, butter, vanilla, and a little bit of milk. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll this out just like I'm making biscuits. And let me get this flattened out with my rolling pin, and I'll be right back. Okay, folks, we got it rolled out. You want to roll this, like say, out like you're rolling biscuit dough, but thinner. Let me show you. That's about as thick as we are. The thinner you get, the more peanut butter you can get in it, or you just put the peanut butter in there heavy, or whatever you want to do there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glaze my peanut butter over this. Oh, about a, I don't know, 16th thick or so, whatever I want. And then I'm going to roll it up. And let me get the peanut butter on. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, now I want to show you how to roll this. I'm using my other camera so I could get my phone set up, and I'll show you how to roll this. We're going to take from the end. You want to start, this is where touch and a soft touch comes into play here. Get it started. Once we get it started, it's not too bad. A little bit at a time. Your start is, this is the most critical. And get this wound, as rolled up as tight as you can. I put quite a bit of peanut butter on it. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my paper to roll. Start it out just like that. See how it wants to, on me. Like I said, use a real soft touch here. I'm going to lay it down, check her work. I'd say if you're done this quite a bit, which this is my first one this year, I will get better. They get easier to roll. Okay, back up, back over, like so, just like that. See my nice roll coming about. Okay, I remember this from years ago because my great aunt taught me how to make this. This kind and the cook kind, and this and hard fudge is two of my favorites, and I'm going to make that one night soon, and we'll show you how to do that just as well. Just about there. Another roll or two, just like so, and then we're going to take this side, bring it up. Like so. I could have rolled it on out. I could have done it either way. Doesn't matter. And this will set up. Mash my ends in. Just like so. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. I believe so. Like so, and we have got us a peanut butter roll. See that? We have got us a nice peanut butter roll, just like that. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's just, it touches in the fingers, so just be careful on rolling it, and you should be in pretty good shape. Okay? So, now, what I'm going to do, and I'll show you here, I'm going to set this back up here. I'm going to get it turned back around here. The easiest part I'm going to take, and I'm going to roll it up in this wax paper, just like so. Wrap it good and tight, just like so. Hold the ends. Now, I'm going to get me a pan. And lay it on there just like that. Do is I'm going to refrigerate it. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. It's easy. Rolling is the hardest part. And, well, it's just kind of touchy in the fingers. I don't know if you've tried it before, but try this one. It's not hard. It's the most simple peanut butter roll that you can make by far. This was originally made with potatoes. The white part of it was made with potatoes. It does have a better taste. I do like it, but this is the most simple, and I wanted to show you how to fix this. It's a good starter for the holidays coming up. We're right after Thanksgiving. So yeah, we're going to get into stuff like this. Probably some other stuff in between. Soups like we've been doing, some different stuff. But this becomes the time that I make my candies and cookies, and I make some money here. So if you're interested in peanut butter roll or hard fudge, even Kentucky cream pulled candy, that is a super hard one. But I'll show you how to make that one. And that one does take a little time. That's the hardest one I make. You don't find it much anymore, but I do make it. So if you're interested in any of this stuff I fix or have an idea, I do fix cinnamon candy, different kind of hard candies and stuff like you suck on, like say cinnamon candies and stuff. You know, I'm not so much of a sweet eater. I do like the hard fudge and peanut butter roll, but I can actually leave the sweets alone. I just like fixing them. I just like cooking for people. So anyways, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. It's best to leave it overnight. Just throw it in the refrigerator, leave it over. That's the hardest part because you want a piece of it. But let it set up like it's supposed to. Let it harden like it's supposed to. Then we'll take it out, unroll it, take us a knife and slice it into our pieces. Good to go. That's all there is to it. So anyways, leave a comment if you've tried this one, if you made this one. Leave a comment if you've tried any of my other stuff. Have you checked out my other channel yet? Say it's where we talk politics and stuff like that. Check it out. So, like I said, check this one out. Try it. Leave me some comments. Do you have something that you want me to make? So that's all there is to it. Like I say, leave comments. I'd sure appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Other than that, next time, we'll see what we're going to make next time. Leave me a comment if you want me to try something. I'll sure do it. There's none of this stuff I can't fix. Some of it's just a little harder than others, and we started out with the most basic. So till next time, I thank you guys so much. Try this out. Check out my other channel. That is where you're going to find Tea Gardens Today. This one is just cooking now. Thank you. Like I said, folks, I do sell these for Christmas. I set it by the half pound. I can make you a mix set, like a gift set with, say, fudge, peanut butter fudge. It's usually 3 different things, like cookies and fudge and peanut butter rolls, something like that. Put it in nice little containers that can be reused, or I can also use tins. That's up to you. Like I say, these make nice gift sets. If you're interested, drop me a comment. I'll let you know how much, you know, whatever. The highest thing I do make is the cream pulled candy, Kentucky cream pulled candy, because it's so hard to make. Not ridiculous. I'm not crazy on any of this. Just to recoup my money I put into it and make a little something for my time. I just really enjoy this. So if you're interested in any of this, let me know and drop me a message. And I'll let you know how much. Send it to you anywhere. I live in Paris. You know, come by and pick it up, whatever. Just let me know and leave me comments if you are interested, and I'd sure appreciate it. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it. See ya.